to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones are now one step closer to release. Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra are certified in the USA. All of them support Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, UWB connectivity and many other great features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 line has recently received FCC certification, signaling the Korean tech giant's preparation for an early release of its flagship devices. According to the latest rumors, an unpacked event on January 17 is expected to unveil the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and the top-tier flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Samsung has already launched the certification process for its new US flagships. Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra appeared in documents on the website of the US Federal Communication Commission, FCC. The basic model is represented by catalog numbers SMS921U and SM921U1, Galaxy S24 Plus SMS926U and SM926U1, Galaxy S24 Ultra SMS928U and SM928U1 respectively. Based on the certification documents, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra are equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 adapters, NFC and UWB chipsets. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has everything the same, except for the Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi 7. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra S Pen details revealed in the FCC certification listing. MySmartPrice has reported that the FCC certification website now includes information about the S Pen, identified by the EJPS928 model number. The listing reveals the design of the S Pen, mirroring the one seen in the last Galaxy S23 Ultra, featuring a left side button and a clicky push button on the top. Furthermore, the listing specifies that the new S Pen Stylus will be operated within a 2402 to 2480 MHz frequency range and have a total length of 104.64 mm, 4.12 inches. This data includes information about the S Pen position, pressure and orientation. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was the first to debut with a built-in S Pen, although Samsung had launched an S Pen with the Galaxy S21 Ultra a year earlier, initiating the inclusion of the S Pen in its S-series lineup. Let us remind you that according to preliminary data, the premiere of the Galaxy S24 line will take place January 17. The Ultra model will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the other two models will be powered by both the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 chipsets. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.